Finance for macroeconomist is a very important course. A lot of people have finance background, but they are not having economic background. They are unable to understand the micro level calculations with the economy, outer world externalities. Same way, if someone has macro perspective, they are unable to relate to the microfinance levels. So in this course, we explain the capital market dynamics, we study money markets, we talk about hedging, swapping, we talk about bond pricing, we talk about equity analysis, we talk about risk management, we talk about business cycles, we see different countries, recession, booms, hyperinflation, inflation, deflations, fiscal soundness, financial indicators, stress testings, and real estate portfolios, and lot of other things are part of this course. This course is from basic, beginner and advanced level people, and it enlighten their minds with a comprehensive financial information that is directly related to decision making and value addition.